Okay, go ahead.
My dad's name is Martin. He has black hair. My dad is 47 years old. My dad likes his new job. My dad likes to eat ice cream with sprinkles by Sophia.
That was sweet. Thank you for writing that about me.
And here's a picture.
And there's a picture of it. Oh, there's a picture. There I am.
Yeah, you don't look good with the brown, so I just tried to put some orange in there.
Oh, I put some orange in there.
Yeah.
Thank you for the poem. I appreciate it. Wait, hold on. Who's this little one? What's your name?
Jen,
Hi, sweetheart. All right, go to bed. Sweetheart, I love it. Okay, can you tell me about your friends up there? Who are those people up there?
Elsa, Anna, Christoph, and Sven.
Awesome. And there's Sven. Okay, bye, sweetheart.